Hiya, it's Lisa from Holly Bob's. Today I'm going to show you a really quick, easy recipe to make your own fudge in the microwave. Great for last minute prezzies for teachers, nursery workers, friends, and just a yummy treat for Christmas time. One thing I'm going to mention though is I didn't use greaseproof paper, and I would definitely suggest you do because I did find it a bit tricky to get it out at the end. But this recipe is so easy, even I can do it, and I'm not a baker. So I hope you enjoy. Bye! For this recipe you'll need 500 grams of caster sugar, 1 tin of condensed milk, 5 ml of vanilla essence and 100 grams of butter. Start by adding the caster sugar, condensed milk and butter into a bowl. Mix all the ingredients together until the sugar is completely mixed into the butter. It should fall off the spoon pretty easily. Place the bowl in the microwave. And cook for 2.5 minutes. It's now time to add in the vanilla essence and stir well. Now put the bowl back into the microwave and cook for 10 minutes, taking it out at 2-minute intervals and stirring. Pour all the mixture into a well-greased baking tin. Smooth the mixture over till it is all level and then leave to set. Once your fudge is set, cut it into pieces and enjoy. So there you have it, a really easy recipe to make your very own fudge. Have a lovely Christmas and I hope you enjoy.